Have you ever met someone who grows higher in success but stays deeply humble? You know, when life throws challenges, people either break down or stand tall. This man chose the second path.
I'm really honored that we came here. I was not expecting that this would be such a fantabulous show. But I would just say that I'm really truly honored and really glad that machine makers could contribute and celebrate such a wonderful event, and we are thankful to you for encouraging companies like us. MSME, I believe, is the bedrock of our economy, where we are creating jobs. There are about 6.3 million, I believe, registered MSMEs employing 11 crore people.
DRDO is a 52 labs conglomerate which is spread all across India. More and more industries should connect with DRDO. We have almost more than 3,000 industries connected with DRDO. And the real hand-holding and real technology generation, DRDO is there.
Very happy to share this stage with them. We are also proud to tell one of our directors from DRDO. Also, we are part of the defense. We are supplying many products to the defense sector. Congratulations, sir.
We really thank Machine Maker and the complete team.